So question number one, if you see Tanishq, question number one is like this, that 15 less than 4 times of a number is 9. So 15 less than 4 times of a number. Suppose your number was x.
It will be 4x minus 15.
4x minus 15 is equal to 9.
9.
So your 4x is equal to 24. So your x is equal to 6. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then question number 2. If you see question number 2 is if mega age is increased.
Okay, आवाज थोड़ी low है.
I'll speak louder. If mega age is increased by 3 times her age, the result is 60 years. If let the mega age is x, so if mega age is increased by 3 times her age,
Plus 3x is equal
so
to
x plus 3x is equal to 60. So 4x is equal to 60. So x is equal to 15. Correct?
मुझे इधर एक डाउट है.
हाँ. तो हर age
फाइंड द एज लिखा है.
हाँ.
तो सर अभी भी कौन था एज? अभी समझ लो उधर एक्स है. अगर एग्जाम्पल द क्वेश्चन वाज समथिंग लाइक वी हैव टू सब्स्टिट्यूट इन द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स, तो क्वेश्चन कैसा रहता है सर?
I do not understand what you said.
They were like this, find the age, correct?
Find her present age. Her present age is 15 years.
हाँ, तो सर अभी हम मुझे अगर एग्जांपल अगर ऐसा सम होता था where we find the value of x and we have to substitute in the value of x, तो वो सम कैसा रहता?
सम अगर होता प्रूफ करना होता तो we got x equal to 15 years. So if x is equal to 15 years, then 3x will be 45 years. So if you add 15 plus 45, you'll get 60 years. See, substitute means what? Whatever the answer you get, you just put the same answer in the equation, and you need to satisfy your LHS equal to RHS.
Yes, sir.
Then if you see the question number 3rd, then if you see your question number 3rd is like, what is not visible here? 28.
Number.
So 28 is 12 less than 4 times of a number. So let the number is x. So 4 times of the 28 is 12 less than 4 times of a number. So 28 is 4 times less than 12. 1 minute. So when we say 28 is...
Sir, I can't see you writing anything.
Can you see my screen?
I can see your screen, but I can't see you writing anything.
Yeah, see that? So 28 is, when we say 28, so question number 3rd, 28 is equal to, 28 is 12 less than 4 times of a number. 28 is 12 less than 4 times of a number. Can you understand this?
Yes, sir.
So you can write 28 plus 12 is equal to 4x. 4x is equal to 40. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So means x is equal to 10.
Yes, sir. So 5 less than 3 times a number is minus 20. So it will be 5x.
Question number 4, 1 minute. 5 less than 3 times of a number. 3 times of a number. 5 less than, if you subtract 5 less than
3x minus 5 is equal to minus 22.
So 3x is equal to minus 20 plus 5. So 3x is equal to minus 15. your x is equal to -5.
सर आप मुझे वो कल का रिकॉर्डिंग और आज का रिकॉर्डिंग भेज देना, रिकॉर्डिंग सब जरूरत है मुझे इसलिए।
Okay, clear this?
हाँ सर ये
Question
क्लियर
number
है। फिफ्थ वाला
4. One minute. You read mentally. You read.
15 more than 3 times Neetu's age is the same as 4 times her age. How
1
old
minute.
is she?
1 minute. Let me read the problem. Fifth wala 15 more than 3 times the Neetu age. Let the Neetu age is x. 15 more than 3 times of the Neetu age. 3 times of Neetu age 3x plus 15 is same as 4 times of her age. This is same as 4 times of her age. 15 more than 3 times of Neetu age is same as 4 times her age. How old is she? So she is 15-year-old. Clear? Then if you see the sixth problem, number decreased by 30, number is x, a number decreased by 30, number decreased by 30, has 14
the same as
decreased by 3 times of a number.
minus
14
30 is equal
decreased
to
by 3
14
times of a
minus
number.
3x.
So you can write, so x plus 3x is equal to 30 plus 40. So 4x is equal to 44. So x is equal to 11.
Sir, can I tell something?
Yeah, tell me.
Sir ये काम करते हैं आप, if you want you can read out the question. Maybe मैं आपको equations बताता क्योंकि it will help me further.
So till now, just check the answer, Tanish, from book. All the answers are correct or not. We did till 6 questions. Any doubt you have in the 6th question, just let me know.
I'll send you also the answers.
No need to send me the answer. You just check everything. But then we'll go to the 7th question.
6, 15, 10, 6, 15, 10 minus 5, 15, 11 minus 5, 15, 11. सर all correct sir, और मैंने आपको वो आंसर्स भी भेज दिया है.
Now see the 7th one.
Sir, I'll try writing the equation.
Okay, tell me.
A salary is same as 4 times B salary. If together they earn rupees 3750, find the salary of each. So it will be A plus B is equal to 3750.
Can you understand this?
Sir, then we don't have to substitute it. Later is equal to 4B, which is equal to 70 into 4. So A is equal to कितना 75 into 4? 28, 28, 28, 20, 28, 20, 3000. Correct क्या? हाँ sir, 300 sir.
Got it?
हाँ sir. Then 8, sir, I'll tell you the equation. Subtract 178 into 2 parts so that the first part is 8 less than the twice the second part. So you also have 178 likhiye. Then just draw 2 arrow marks. So so the first part will be 178 minus x, the first part. Minus a. And the other one will be x minus 8. If I'm not mistaken, correct? Yeah.
It was 178. You are dividing 2 parts. No, the sum of 2 parts then will be 178.
So it will be 178 minus x. That's the first part, and the second part will be x minus 8.
तनिष अगर सेकेंड पार्ट x माइनस 8 हो जाएगा, दोनों का ऐड करेगा तो 178 थोड़ी आएगा।
और हमको सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है ना फॉर्म, नहीं यहाँ पे सब्स्टिट्यूटेड ना।
तनिष यू आर नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग। 178 को 2 पार्ट में डिवाइड करना है। अगर एक पार्ट 178 माइनस एक्स होगा तो दूसरा पार्ट x होगा, तभी तो दोनों का सम 178 होगा ना भाई।
हाँ हाँ, करेक्ट, I was mistaken, wrong.
So if this is first part, then if this is second part, if this is your second part, okay. So here, if you see this, do as a first part, you whatever is your first part is 178 minus x. That is equal to that, so that the first part is 8 less than twice the second part. First part is 8 less than twice the second part. This is your equation. 178 minus x is equal to 2x minus 8. So you can say 178 plus 8 is equal to 2x plus x. So this is 184. 8
186.
186 is equal to 3x. X is
62.
equal to 63. So your second part is 63. What they ask you. Okay, so they want all the parts. So your second part is 63. Your first part will be 178 minus 63. So your first
This
15, then this 115.
Nice, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, 186 divided by 3 will give you 62, not 63.
Okay. This will give you 62.
तो गलती होता है सर.
62. This is 6. Yeah, done.
Then we have to substitute.
So you'll get the answer 116 and 82. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now see the question number 9.
Question number 9 reading is 6 more than 1/4 a number is 2/5 of a number. 6 more than 1/4 of a number is 2/5. Sir, our question मत लिखिए ना, I want to. I'll tell you. Just correct me if I'm wrong or correct.
Any doubt, Tanish, on this?
Nice, sir.
So solve kar de. Tell me the answer. You only solve. I will not do.
नाइन्थ वाला क्या रीडिंग है? Reading है 6 more than 1/4 of a number is 2/5 of a number. Find the number. If I get this x over here, 1/4x minus 2/5 x is equal to -6. So LCM 25x minus 8x is equal by 20 is equal to -6. I'll send this here. Minus 3x is equal to minus 120. X is equal to 120 by 3. X is equal to 40. Sir, x is equal to 40 I'm getting.
1 minute, Tanish. You solve 1 minute. Be on. What?
Yes, sir.
Answer what you got as a value of
And x is equal to 40.
40. So let's check if x equal to 40 here. Then 40 by 4 plus 6 is equal to 2 by 5 into 40. And then LHS should be equal to RHS. So this is 16. This is 16, correct. So your x is equal to 40, correct. Fine. Let's go to the next question. Any doubt, Tanish?
No, sir. Sir, आपको if you I'll read out the question.
No, I have question with me. So
The length of a rectangle is twice its width. If
question
its
number
perimeter,
9, na Tanish. That is 6 more than 6. So 9 to already we did. No? Okay, 10.
10 वाला ही पढ़ रहा था सर.
1 minute. 1 minute. So 10th one. Tell me.
The length of a rectangle is twice its width. If the perimeter of if the perimeter is 54 centimeter, find its length. So if the length will be 2w, 2 width. Okay. So then the formula of perimeter of a rectangle is this thing na 2l plus b. So you substitute it. So 54 is equal to 2w plus b. So 54 is equal to 4w plus no, I'll cancel this now. 1 the ये कितना 2 the 27 is equal to 2w plus b. सर ये मुझे नहीं हाँ okay, so it will become this is also w. So 27 is equal to 3w. W is equal to 27 by 3. W is equal to 9. तो लेंथ कितना है 2w. So 2 into 9 will give you 18. 18 क्या यूनिट का इसका यूनिट is centimeter. So the length and the breadth is कितना है twice. हाँ sir, I'm getting length is equal to 18. सर मैंने तो कैंसिलेशन कर दिया था.
कोई बात नहीं तनिष. Now let's do question number
7 वाला. A rectangle length is 5 meter less than the twice. So it will be 5 minus 2w. 2w minus 5. If the length is decreased by 5 centimeter and the length is L minus 2 and w plus 2 and the perimeter is equal to 74. Okay. So how will you write this? 2w minus 5 minus 5 is equal to plus w plus 2 is equal to 74. Correct, क्या sir?
आ रहा है समझ में तनिष.
सर मैं आपका स्क्रीन अब मैं अपना स्क्रीन ब्लॉक कर रखा हूँ. आफ्टर आई डू Sir, I'm getting x का value. I'm getting 15. So length will be 2w minus 5, which is 2 into 15, 30, 30, 25 centimeters. And width क्या है? Width क्या है आपका? x. तो x is equal to 15 centimeters. Sir, मुझे length I'm getting 25 centimeters and width I'm getting 15 centimeters.
One. Width you'll getting 50. You'll get width as 15.
हाँ sir.
The length you'll get is what? 30 minus 5, 25. Correct? Correct, Ganesh?
Yes, sir.
Length of the rectangle is 25, width is 15.
Sir, if you want, I'll send you the photo. I've done it in another manner, but मुझे वही आया है answer.
ठीक है. Come, we'll
Sir,
do
आपको
the
मैंने
next
photo
question.
भेज दिया है. If you have any objections, you can tell me.
No, I don't have any objection. Come to question.
नहीं, अभी सर मुझे consecutive number से मुझे एक doubt है.
बोलना भाई, क्या doubt?
सर अभी लिखा है find the, हमारी टीचर ने क्या लिखाया था? Note the consecutive of odd number. Can you write it as x plus 1 or should you write it as 2x plus 1?
क्या लिखा है? The sum of 3 consecutive odd number. पहला consecutive पहला नंबर मान ले, तो पहला odd number तू मान ले, x मान ले, तो दूसरा odd number क्या होगा तेरा? दूसरा नंबर होगा तेरा x plus
1, x plus 2. सर odd number सर.
अरे गधा, अगर तेरा ये 33 है तो ये 35 होगा ना भाई. कॉमन सेंस यूज करना.
हाँ सर.
पहला नंबर अगर ऑड है, पहला x अगर ऑड है तो दूसरा नंबर जो ऑड होगा वो होगा x plus 2, क्योंकि x के ऑड के बाद इवन आता है, फिर ऑड आता है. समझ पा रहे हैं मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ?
हाँ सर.
Then your third number will be x plus 4. That will be 37. Clear?
I have an objection on this.
क्या हुआ?
सर हमारी टीचर ने, I send you the photo. हमारी
Tanish, you
टीचर
can do it like many way, Tanish. That is common sense.
हाँ, so because मेरी आपने ऐसा बोला, I am familiar with this method only, but मेरी टीचर ने बोला for odd numbers you have to write it as 2x plus 1, 2x plus 3, 2x plus 5. Because मेरी टीचर ने
that is, you do whatever way, Tanish, you get the same answer, Tanish.
सर और एक और थिंग, और मैम ने बोला कि if you use x, x plus 2 and x plus 4, they may cut marks for this because ये हम लोग ये rule we are not following this year. She has clearly mentioned and or she has made us write this.
ठीक है, टीचर ने बोला you do that, no? What is big deal in that? And when I'm denying that part, what you teacher is saying wrong, I'm saying this is the way you if your teacher is saying do by other way, you do by other way. You do by any way, you will get the same answer.
हाँ सर.
हाँ.
हाँ तो ये 12 का आंसर will be 2x plus 1, 2x plus 3 plus 2x plus 5 is equal to 57 if I'm not mistaken. Yes.
So if you add them, you will get 3x plus 6 is equal to 57. So 3x is equal to 51. So x is equal to 17. So first number is 17, then 19, then 21. You do
6 का से आया.
this as answer.
एक मिनट सर.
If you add, no, Tanish, you know adding, no?
हाँ सर.
You add them.
सर एक मिनट. 57 है क्या? लास्ट क्या है वो? सम ऑफ द कॉन्सिक्यूटिव नंबर क्या है? 57. 2x plus 1, 2x plus 3, 2x plus 5 is equal to 2, 6x is equal to 4, 4 plus it will be 9, 9 minus 9, 57 minus 9, 48, x is equal to 8. So 2x plus 1 is equal to 2 into 8 plus 1, which is 17. 2x plus 3, which is equal to into 8 plus 3, which is 16, 17, 18, 19. 2x plus 5 is equal to 2 into 8, 16. Sir, 17, 19, 21. Ha, correct.
Come, we'll do 13th one.
A man age is 3 times the, okay. So let the man's age be x.
क्या लिखा है? मैन एज इज 3 times that of his son. उसका सन एज लेना भाई x. तो कब सुधरेगा तनिष?
अभी भी आप बोलेंगे.
Let the son age is x. So the man age would be 3x. If you take man age is x, then his son age will be x by 3. I don't think you like doing like that.
Yes, sir.
अगर man का age x लेगा, then his son age will be x by 3. Can you understand this?
हाँ.
यहाँ पे man का age is 3 times the son age. So son age is x, then man age would be 3x.
जी sir.
The man age is 3 times that of son, that is age, and in 12 years, 12 year, he will be twice as old as son. So this is their present age. This is their present age. This is their present age. They're telling you 12 years, in 12 years. So after 12 year, what will happen? After 12 year, what will be son age? After 12 year, his son age will be x plus 12. Can you understand this?
हाँ sir. Hello.
हाँ.
हाँ sir.
So his man age will be 3x plus 12.
हाँ. तो son age is equal to हाँ x plus 12 and father's is equal to correct.
Okay, done. Okay, so a man age is 3 times of his son age. In 12 years, he will be twice as old as his son. So क्या बोल रहा है? After 12 year, he will be twice as old as his son. So after 12 year, the person age is what? 3x plus 12. That is twice as old as his son. So that is twice as old as his son. So this is 3x plus 12 is equal to 2x plus 24. So x is
अभी कोई क्लास नहीं है ना?
है क्यों, क्या हो गया?
नहीं, because it's 7 o'clock. No, I thought like
No problem. हाँ, so this x is equal to 12. So the son age is 12. So his son age you get is 12. So his father age क्या होगा? उसका man का age क्या होगा? So
48.
12 3 का 48 नहीं होता तनिष.
36.
And you will change. Clear this?
सर एक मिनट. हाँ सर. हेलो.
हाँ.
हाँ सर, क्लियर. क्या सर?
This clear this question?
हाँ सर.
Okay. So see the next question. Where is the next question? 1 minute.
A man is 42 years old and his son is 12 years old. In how many years will the age of the son be half and the age of the man at that time? So
Do this question. I will not tell you anything, Tanish. You do by yourself.
a man is 42 years old. audio. So maybe, sir, 1 minute. I'm not able to select. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
कुछ तो काम कर रहा है. सर 1 मिनट, तुम्हें जुकाम ये कैसे करना? मैं भी am not too sure. सर 1 minute, I'm trying it out. Right? What's the man age? Man age is equal to 42 years and son age is equal to 12 years, correct? So let
Wait, I'll do Tanishq.
नहीं सर, नहीं, I'll do. If you want, you can stop presenting and do. Maybe.
Tanishq, मैं क्वेश्चन कर देता हूँ, then we'll wind up the class and we'll meet at 9:30 sometime. We'll finish the remaining problem.
Sir, कल करेंगे कि मम्मी डांटेगी if I do it so late. Hello?
Okay, Tanishq, then can I finish this, solve this question?
Sir, I'm almost done. 1 minute. If you want, you can just stop presenting and do. सर मेरा हो गया है. हेलो
बोल तनिष्क.
सर मुझे आंसर 18 years आ रहा है.
क्या दिया बुक में आंसर?
मुझे पता नहीं, मैं चेक करता हूँ. ये कौन सा सन है? 14th. सर 18 years बुक में दिया. सर आपको मैंने आंसर्स भेजा है.
You want me to discuss this problem with you?
नहीं सर, I've understood. मैंने कर लिया है.
क्या किया? Can you tell me your steps? You are very interested, no? So tell me your steps. Now tell me your steps.
I'll send you a photo, sir. I can't.
No, I don't want photo. Tell me what you did. Tell verbal.
Sir, तो man age कितना? 42 years. Son's age is 12 years.
1 minute. Let me. 1 minute. Man age is 42 year and son age is 12 year. Okay.
So let years be x.
X is what, Tanishq?
Sir, years.
Of what?
X is like what? मतलब?
वो X क्या है यहाँ पे? क्या year है? X is years for what यार? What is X years? अरे भाई क्या चीज का year? तेरा एज, तेरे पापा का एज,
Okay. Maybe if the son, when he'll be half of the men.
Say like that. No, that is X. X is the required year. Let X is the English bowl.
X is the required year. Okay, you can tell
So
that.
let
now.
X is the required year.
Yeah. So it will be तो मैन का एज कितना रहेगा 42 plus x and son's age will be 12 plus x.
So after X year this happens. So that time the man age would be 42x, son age would be 12 plus X. So in how many years he will be the
Sir, 42.
half of
So
the age of man?
so you can write it as 12 plus x is equal to 42 by x by 2.
This is 1 by 2. So the age of son is half of the man age. You can have 42 plus X is 24 plus 2X.
हाँ.
So X is equal to, this is 18 years. Got it?
हाँ sir.
Okay, Tanish, we'll do this much today. We'll continue the remaining question tomorrow.
तो tomorrow कितने बजे कल?
Same time.
ठीक है sir.
Okay, Tanish. Thank you.
Bye sir.
Bye.